project and I'm super excited to be making over my laundry room. I know that it looks super small, but I'm ready to bring a big design to a small space. Check it out. So the floors are tile floors and they match the tile in my kitchen. So I think that we should change it up a little bit. So I got some laminate flooring and I'm going to put that in to change the whole feel of the laundry. I first started off by removing the baseboards. I used my crowbar just to get it started. Then I used my Husky utility knife to cut the seam between the baseboard and the wall to make it easier to pry the baseboard from the wall. Once I removed the baseboards from each wall, it was time to cut the case molding. I took a piece of the vinyl flooring and laid it down beside the case molding so I could make markings in order to cut. Using my Dremel Multi-Max tool, I cut the casings where I made the markings. Cutting into the case molding will allow me to slide the vinyl flooring under for a great fit. Before installing in the floor, I use my Dremel Versa to clean up any big dirt spots that I could find. This tool comes with 4 attachments for dry and wet cleaning. Once the bigger spots were all cleaned up, I used my Ryobi stick vac to pick up the bigger debris pieces from the baseboards. The flooring that I'm using is called the Life-Proof Vinyl Flooring. It's also referred to as floating flooring because it doesn't have to be nailed or glued to the subfloor. I used a rubber mallet to make sure the flooring was fit into place and then started laying down the flooring. For the end pieces, I placed a piece of flooring down and marked where I should make the cut, and then used my rigid miter saw to cut the flooring. I repeated these steps throughout the whole floor installation and also utilized the flooring L-bar to make sure the flooring was snug into place. It's also a good idea to use spacers around the baseboards to make sure you don't get any moving when installing the floor. Once I got to the end of the wall, I had to use my bandsaw to cut into the flooring to make sure I had a perfect fit. And that's it, the floor was installed. To cap off the flooring into the kitchen, I used a reducer molding piece. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. And for more projects and tutorials, check out handmade-haven.com. Later.